Hi, this is Mr. Yao. In this chapter, we will talk about simple problems on percentages. In this example, Anna has 24 storybooks and Bill has 30. What percentage of the number of storybooks that Anna has to the number of storybooks that Bill has? It means Anna 24, Bill 30. The required percentage is Anna's book over Bill's book times 100%, which is 24 over 30 times 100. Simplify the fraction 5 and 4. Then it is 80%. In this example, there are 240 cars in a car park. 84 of them are blue. It means the rest are not blue. So in this diagram, we know that the number of cars that are not blue is 240 minus 84 equals to 156. Now we need to find the percentage of the cars that are not blue. So the number of cars that are not blue is 240 minus 84 equals to 156. Then we need to put 156 on top, and below we put 240, which is the total number of the cars, times 100%. Then equals to 65%. Remember what I told you, we can use calculator in our second and final exam. That's why you use calculator to calculate these. Okay, now this is the second equation that we have to learn. We have a total number of cakes here. There are 40 cakes here in the cake shop, and 30% of the cakes are chocolate cakes. It means if there are total 40 cakes, 30% of here, 30% of the cakes are chocolate cakes, and the other 70% are not chocolate cakes, other kinds of cakes. So now we have to find the number of chocolate cakes. Then we use the total number of the cakes times the percentage of the chocolate cakes, which is 30%. And then we have the number 12. There are 12 chocolate cakes within these 40 cakes. Here is another example. There are 125 customers in the restaurant, and 4% of them are children. So we have to find the number of children in the restaurant. The number of children is 4%. It means the total number is 125 times 4%, which is the percentage of the children inside 125 customers. Then the answer is 6%. So we can have the conclusion. Number of children is 6. Okay, this is the last part. When the value of a part and the percentage of these parts of the wholes are given, we can set an equation to find the value of the whole. In this case, we don't know the total number, but we know the percentage of the part and the number of the part. And actually it's the same equation, but we use another way to calculate. All right, let's see the example. John spent $24 on buying a magazine, which is 3% of his pocket money. And we need to find the total number of pocket money of John. We don't know the total number, but we know the percentage, and we know the amount of money of the 3%. Yeah, 24 is 3% of the total money. So we have this equation. And we have to solve this equation to find x. Times 3%, we move to the right and it becomes divided by 3%. Then use calculator and you know the total number of pocket money of John is $800. Here is another example. In a box of blocks, there are 60 red blocks, which is 25% of all blocks. Find the total number of blocks in the box. Okay. We need to find the total number, which is, we let x be the total number. X times 25% equals to 60. Then we move this to the right. X equals to 60 divided by 25%. In these steps, use calculator. 60 divided by 25%. X equals to 240. The total number of blocks in the box is 240 blocks. Okay?